SARA can also export to an Excel file. You just change the export settings to Excel and then again click Generate Report. Give it a name and you have an Excel file. In this Excel file, the first sheet is in raw data format. This is very convenient for a couple of reasons. One, because you can use it if you have a small coding project that you're working on and you need that data. You have a raw version of it that will be easy to pull into your code. Two, it's convenient because you can also use this to populate your existing Excel template that you are currently doing settings calculation in. If for any reason you want to populate that old file, maybe as another form of documentation or for thoroughness, that's easy to do. The next page, it displays all of the equations and has a thorough documentation within that Excel document. With SARA, there's no typing. It generates automatically and you have everything you need. Of course, you can edit these documents after the fact if there's something else that you want to add that didn't get thrown in for any reason, but it's very thorough and you can customize it. You can also edit the colors, logos, and the layout to fit your company's branding.